Python software developer, Python software developer course. A Python software developer is a programmer who specializes in writing, testing, and maintaining software applications using the Python programming language. Python developers are versatile, often working in areas such as web development, data science, automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud computing. Key responsibilities: 1. Writing efficient code *. Python developers write clean, maintainable, and efficient code using Python syntax and libraries. 2. Testing and debugging *. They run tests on their code and debug any issues to ensure smooth performance and reliability. 3. Integrating with databases *. Developers often like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB, to store and retrieve data. 4. Collaborating with teams *. They work closely with front-end developers, data scientists, and other team members to integrate Python code with various components of an application. 5. Automation and scripting *. Automating repetitive tasks and writing scripts for system administration, data manipulation, or other use cases is a common part of the role. 6. Using frameworks and libraries *. Python developers use frameworks, like Django, Flask, for web applications, or libraries, like NumPy, Pandas, for data manipulation and analysis. Skills needed: proficiency in Python and its libraries. Familiarity with Python frameworks like Django, Flask, or FastAPI, for web development. Knowledge of databases and ORMs, object relational mappers. Version control tools like Git. Experience with APIs and third-party service integration. Problem-solving abilities to troubleshoot and debug effectively. Understanding of deployment practices in various environments, example AWS, Azure, or Docker. Use cases: web development *. Building dynamic websites and web applications using frameworks like Django or Flask. Data science and analytics *. Developing data models, working with big data, and performing machine learning tasks using libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow. Automation *. Writing scripts to automate system tasks, data extraction, or repetitive manual processes. AI and machine learning *. Creating and deploying machine learning algorithms using tools like scikit-learn, Keras, or PyTorch. Python simplicity and readability make it a top choice for many developers, especially for rapid prototyping and scalable solutions.